Welcome to HK Academy. In this video, I will introduce you to an exceptional website that can effectively address your PDF related challenges. Let us explore this remarkable website. Open your web browser and navigate to iLovePDF.com. This website provides a wide range of tools that can prove invaluable in your day-to-day operations. Merge and split multiple PDF files. Compress PDF file to reduce their size, enabling quick uploading and sending. Convert PDF file to Word, facilitating easy editing of question papers and assignments for teachers. Convert PDF file to PowerPoint, a convenient feature for creating classroom presentations from e-textbook. Likewise, convert PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, and Excel to PDF as per your specific needs. Edit PDF files using Edit PDF option. Convert PDF file into images with PDF to JPG format. Similarly, convert images to PDF. In case your PDF gets corrupted, utilize the Repair PDF option to restore it. Another noteworthy feature widely utilized by teachers is the ability to scan textbook pages and convert them into PDF format. This can now be easily accomplished through Scan to PDF option. Surprisingly, one of the features offered completely free of cost is OCR PDF. With this option, you can effortlessly convert scanned PDFs into searchable and selectable documents. iLovePDF serves as a comprehensive solution for all your PDF related needs. It is free to use and does not require any login credentials. So, explore this website now and save your valuable time and efforts. Kindly consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.